omukoro ogwahizaho obukaikuru 13 n'emitwaro nshanju gwatandukana n'ekitambo kya misa orukurira abakozi aba district ya Kikuube yanja kushobora kuko sente zagenda najango harimu allowance okupangisa tent kurya n'ebindi benshi.
We have put a modest budget of 13,700,000 and much of this money, half of it is council allowances of 7.5. So the rest goes to tents, 450. Decoration is a modest 300. Public address system 300,000. Relay of the function live on one of the radio stations is at 1.2.
Mukuru abakozi nenja kushobora ngo sente zona nezabo abakushashura umushoro tizaruga omumpabwezi nari abanyamikago ba district.
So for this event we were able to get local revenue that we got from Ministry of Finance, warranted and invoiced, and that's how we were able to get this money. We've not got any money from partners put into this because it was so abrupt.
Rather, councillors batunga allowances, so tuliba councillors 24 na chairman 25. Buli councillor yatunga allowance, sitting allowance emitwaro 4
Father John Bosco musinguzi owayebemberamu ekitambo kya misa yanja kushaba abebembezi na munonga abasya konja kukorera amazima kwetantara oburi bw'enguzi kandi bafeyo kukorera ogwo omuntu wa burisho.
In the name of the Almighty God, that I'll be faithful and bear true allegiance of the Republic of Uganda.
Bantu mukama tusabe ituhe n'abanya abebembeza abanyakuri hano mukama ruhango atuhe neema eyamagezi ngo kucomuga ekintu ekikire nekibi in your offices.
Bwanyuma yo kurahiza chairman w'entebe katano ba kansara nabo barahira bitu bamwe ebintu baza kuba tibyabanguhira.
Give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as the law established. So help me God.
Bakansara bamwe ko mulungu gukonja kwetebeka ntizizoba bashara kwekoraho bingi barewa binemibirabiri gumwe ogwanu gwera ugunde kurukwiragura nobukurahira ko kikeke obwire bwinjira bakosa Bible na Quran bamwe omba kansara wenyikiriza yabo basharamo koze kitabo cy'ubushobozi bishaka. Peter Banura chairman w'entebe katano yayinja kutugambira ebyaratanukiraho.
Tulobinge muno mu center kuri abakuba ebirungi byona ebyamani bya center nje kurwana muno mu tinyikalire buli karo mu office baitu chairman akuri bata geno kunywanisa abataka ba Kikuube abantu abandi abahera.
Ekintu kyamani mu Kikuube tunakuleta enkoragano tumale kintu kyogamba akasorora ngaine mu nganda rundi ono narura mugenzi we kubi itwena tukolere abantu baitu aba Kikuube district.
District ya Kikuube ekatandika emyaka 3 enyuma ekasharwa district ya Hoima kandi eturi n'abebembezi beteba interim abarukora kanya bwanya niyo kwebemberwamo Francis Kazina oize kutoranwa komunyishengero w'abahangozi East amakuraga gashe ko Ambrose n'uwagaba katoto.